Everybody did.
Yeah, but you wanted it more than you wanted.
Oh shit, he wanted it.
Dinosaur. I forget. Yeah, so.
Come on, we get. Adam. Shuffle. Hell yeah.
Fuck him right. Fuck you right. Alright. Say hell yeah again.
No? Are you mad?
Go. Are you high right now?
Hey,
do you have a
Adam.
Are you single?
Yeah. Hey, can Max get the cash for you from your car? Can I get him for you? He gets it? For you and Paul?
Well, it's
Yeah.
not fixed up.
Adam, is that fun?
How do you take that deal?
Let him play, man. Shut up.
Get your big ass up, man. I'm talking to you. I'm really tired and I'm cranky.
Yeah. Who's is it? Arnold?
You have to be face up. If they were face up, like 3 macrocosmos face up and a fall crap, then you'd be good.
Wow, man. Get the fuck out.
Sure.
Fucking ass.
Rhythm, know your shit.
That's some luck sack shit. What game is this?
Game 2.
Game 2.
He did the same thing. He went first.
Me? Hey, let me get that dark one. Whatever then. Arnold, you're a cock block.
You're killing my
I'm last. I mean a lot of people. Yeah, I was
Oh, the new server? Tony Montana. All shots over.
It's only like one good one. You're gonna set your ass a time limit.
Failure too. Fucking must be nice to have everything. I go. Oh, cool.